Hi, it's me, Ivana Brooke, and I'm back with a new review, this time for hair. Today we are discussing Bread Beauty Supply. I'm so excited to be reviewing this brand, and I have tried these products for almost, I want to say at least 2 to 3 months, so hope you guys enjoy this review. What I have here is, I believe, their wash and go kit. You can get it at Sephora. These are a little like dusted. Because I've been using these forever, but this is their Bread Beauty Supply hair wash, and it is their Genteel Milky Hair Wash Cleanser. They describe it as a between their, what is it called? Between a co-wash and a cleanser. I can definitely agree with that. This retails for $20 and you get 8.4 fluid ounces. You get plenty. That is one of my favorite things about Bread Beauty Supply, besides the fact that they're Black owned, is the fact that they give you enough for the girls. Like, that is like my #1 complaint. It's so hard to recommend products when it's like, okay, well, I used it 4 times. Like, legitimately, I got 4 uses out of it. But I really appreciate their commitment to sustainability with their packaging, as well as giving us the quantities that we deserve. Like, truly do it. $20 for all that shampoo? Please, baby. Thank you. So it is definitely like the sensitive skin cleanser for hair. Like, it's very creamy. And when I first used it, I was like, I don't know, is it gonna weigh my hair down? That was probably my #1 concern, is like, I want to use this on my scalp as well as my strands. So what we gonna do? Because I have very fine hair. If my hair can get weighed down pretty quickly, but it's one of those weird hair types where it's like, I need like something, there needs to be some heftiness to it, but also we can't get too heavy, or I will have triangle hair. And I don't like that. I really like this, especially if you're kind of the kind of person that's like, you're a little wary of shampoo, because I know we went through that phase as naturals where shampoo is kind of like, if you want to. I think it's definitely a must for me now. I definitely notice that I get better curl definition when my hair is fully washed, like literally from scalp through the strands, like, because I put a lot of product on my hair. Throughout the week, I put a lot of product on my hair, so I have to get it off so that my curls bounce back, personally. So I really like this wash for that. A little goes a long way. You don't have to use a ton. I'm a big fan, and someone is fucking calling me. So their next product is their hair mask, which is like this. They're very similar. And this comes with actually 12 fluid ounces. So you actually get more of this, which I appreciate a lot. Like, thank you, because we need more conditioner. Like, duh, everybody knows that. And first of all, I do think that they are called Bread Beauty Supply for a reason. All of their products smell very bakery vibes. I think that this one smells like, yeah, this one kind of smells like a lemon cookie, and the other one smells kind of like shortbread, and it just smells really nice. So the hair mask retails for $28, and they kind of describe it as a fast-acting hair mask, which I totally agree with, because I think I've left it in my hair for like hours and up to overnight, even, you know, the next day type of thing, a few times. But I really don't notice a crazy difference in results. I feel like this is a proper hair mask that you can literally wear for as long as it takes you to wash your body, shave, whatever you want to do. It's in the shower. Like, it activates in the shower. The second I put it on my hair, it's pretty much going. Like, I really like how quickly it softens my hair and brings a lot of the moisture back very instantly. I love that, and it doesn't weigh your hair down. But that is one of the things where that is something that is kind of up to your hair type and how you like your conditioners. Personally, it's fine, but there are some days where I do wish my hair wasn't as, like, this looks very defined, but there we go, now we can really see. It looks very defined, but you see this like fluff here, like, in this kind of like separation that my curls have, which is fine. Like, it's a cute look, I definitely don't mind, but depending on your hair type, I can see where someone with more texture or just a little more of this like weightlessness that they have to their hair might want something that is going to kind of bring your hair together. You know what I'm saying? Like, that weight, you know, that little bit of weight that you kind of need, which is a hard balance to find. Not weigh your hair down, but it's a very like weightless hair mask. Like, a lot of my hair masks are a little more like shea butter shea butter based, or just buttery in general. So my hair does have a little more of that like, so that my curls are more compact and defined. So this is definitely more so for like, this is my first day, wash day kind of vibes, like fluffy, sexy, wild wash and go hair, more so than like coming out of my shower looking like I've done more of like a defined 2-strand twist kind of thing. I come out of the shower and my hair is quite fluffy, like it just is, which is fine, but it's kind of just up to your preference. If you're looking for a hair mask that is going to clump your curls together, I think this might not be the one for you. Next hair product is going to be their Bread Hair Oil Everyday Gloss. So I add this to the end of my diffusing routine. So I pretty much get my hair almost totally dry and then I hit it with a cool shot. But before I hit it with the cool shot, I put this in. You can use a really generous amount. I love the way it smells. It smells kind of like candy, kind of like a Jolly Rancher. It's a very weightless oil. It's not too greasy or heavy or anything like that. That's definitely something that I want to emphasize with this kit, this hair wash kit, is that nothing here is going to be too heavy. So if that is a problem that you usually have with hair products, especially my girls that have fine hair, this is probably for you. You can see that it's just really shiny. So I really like it as like a sealer at the end of my routine, but they also say that you can use this on your scalp kind of as a pre-poo treatment. I didn't get a lot from that. I definitely used it and I was like, okay, it's maybe because it's just not my thing, our oil pre-poos, I guess. I don't know. It just left me a little like, what did I do that for? You know, so if that's why you're buying this product, as like you're really big into oiling your scalp or things like that, I even have like this part of my hair I am regrowing, but like my tone will shift. My eyebrow gonna crease if I talk about it, so I'm just not even gonna go there, but I am regrowing a part of my hair. And basically I've been putting the oil there for a while now and I don't really notice like it was never like skin bald or anything like that. It's just like they, you know, snatched up a good amount. And I haven't noticed that it's like a crazy difference or anything like that. And it's not advertised to be a hair growth oil, but it's not really that girl for like scalp oiling and things like that. Or even when I'm suffering from dandruff, because I do, or dry scalp, whatever it is, whenever I straighten my hair, I do get I always like, well, my little part from not washing my hair as usual as I do, it's going to get dry. I don't notice as much of a big difference as I do with like other hair products that I use that will like bang bam get it out of here. So from a scalp point of view, if that's really where you like to use your oils, this one is leaving me kind of like but they do have a lot of other oils that might be more targeted towards that. But as like an everyday gloss, which is how it's described, I definitely like it. I think it's the last thing you get in the kit is the super iconic Bread Scrunchie, and I do really like this. It's huge, it's humongous. You can tie your hair up with it. It's a nice satin scrunchie. The little bread tag sticks out and it's just really cute. I love it. But if you aren't really like a pineapple girl, do I think, and you're not getting the kit, I think it's such a cute addition to the kit, but as on its own it is $16. I'm sorry. That is a lot. To me personally, I don't know, I'm not really in the scrunchie market like that. I don't really know what these are going for, especially of this size. It is quite large. I'm really not sure. Maybe that's accurate. I don't know, but if it didn't come with the kit, I probably wouldn't be like all that enthralled about spending $16 on a scrunchie. But it does hold together well. It is nicely made. It's just really not something that I can wholeheartedly recommend for almost $20. Like, no, I'm sorry, I can't. But if you're really into pineappling, I do love this. This will leave you completely creaseless. I just think it's a really good scrunchie to have. So in the kit, awesome. By itself, yeah. That is my review for Bread Beauty Supply. If you have any more specific questions, please leave them down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. If you've tried this brand, let me know. If there's some more things you'd like me to try, let me know and I would be happy to try them. If there's another brand you'd like me to try, let me know, because I definitely want to do more of these hair reviews now that I'm kind of like, I'm out of the whole like we're doing, you know, the thing in the shower. Like, no, these are the results. hope you guys can get a good idea of how, you know, the products work without me having to be in the shower wet in some weird sports bra. Like, I can't. My camera fogging up. It's a mess. Like, it's really, to the girls that do it, shout out to you. It's not for me. But I hope you guys enjoyed and can appreciate these results. If you like this video, don't forget to leave it a like. If you like me, don't forget to subscribe. If you want to see more of me, you can always check me out on my Instagram, Ivana Brooke. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you said. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I